Now let's say like we are going to compare these three terminologies: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service with our biryani preparation. Or I will say like I want to have biryani for lunch. So today I feel like no man, it's been so many days I didn't have a biryani. Okay, let's feel like let's have some biryani. Now tell me in how many ways I can have a biryani.
Cooking.
Good.
Self-preparation.
First thing, self
Cooking it.
preparation. Then
Order online.
order online. Good, Anup. We understand your option. You're going to order online. Good. Then
Going to hotel.
going to hotel. Very nice.
Visiting
Good.
friend's house.
Appa. Sir, that option I cannot fit, sir, anywhere. How come? Visiting friend's house. Guys, point to
Yeah,
be
to
noted.
have biryani.
Appa. Visiting friend's home. No money, nothing, no investment. Simply going to a friend home. Good, sir.
Yes.
Good. Visiting friend's home. Friend's house. Nice, sir. Nice. Any other options, guys?
Ready-made packet will be there, right?
Ready-made. Very nice. Guys, have you seen the MTR recently? MTR, they launched biryani. They launched a biryani. No need to do anything. Simply go take it. Just heat it for 10-15 minutes. You'll get a biryani. But I'm not sure, guys, whether this option for every friend it will work out or not. Anup should say. What, Anup? How many friends you have, man?
Yes, it works.
It works. Good for you. Fine. So now, what ways we have, guys? We have many ways. We have many ways. We'll take one by one. Wherever is possible, we'll try to fit that guy as part of our class today. First thing, I'll go with the self-preparation. What I'll do, I'll go ahead with the self-preparation. Now, whenever I'm going with the self-preparation, let me try to write the ingredients, guys. First option is what? Self-preparation. Now, in the self-preparation, I have to bring my raw materials. Like, if it is a chicken, or I have to bring a chicken, or I'll keep it as a meat. In simple, whatever the meat that you like it, you bring it. Okay. And I'll say like some rice, and I'll say like some spices, and I'll say like utensils, and I'll say like all other XYZ extra items. And then what I will do, I have to cook it. And then what I have to do, I have to serve it. And then what I have to eat it. And then what I have to tell me what is the last item, guys? Tell me the last item.
Clean the utensils.
Cleaning. Most difficult task is cleaning. So we can do all the above, but not the last one. I'm not sure how many of you have prepared your biryanis and all in your COVID time. Any COVID time cook, guys? Any chef who become a chef in 3 months? So you might have tried it out, guys, right? In COVID time, I have prepared many foods. I tried many things. Okay, so I've prepared everything in the sense everything, including meat, whatever the things that we used to have from childhood. Everything I tried it in the COVID. No work, nothing, work from home only. Daily we'll try to prepare something. We'll have a hell lot of food, and we will waste hell lot of food because we don't know how to prepare. Finally, we landed. This is my self preparation. Good. Now, what are the advantages, guys, and what are the disadvantages? Any advantages that you see here?
Completely
Going
our
with
control.
self preparation. What are the benefits that you get going with the self preparation?
Yes, Our skills will get sharpened.
Skills. You want to become chef, not DevOps engineer then.
Customization.
Customizations, good. You can go with your own customization. You can go with your own customization. You add as much masala you want. You add as much of cashew you want. You add as much of meat you want. As
Total
much of
control.
rice you want. Total control, good. Very nice. Then
Quality of recipe.
quality, very nice. No, quality of preparation. I know it is very hygiene. I know it is very hygiene because I am preparing it, right?
Cost,
And most
cost
important,
effective. Cost effective.
cost effective. Very nice. And most important, guys, if we are preparing biryani at our home, how many times in a day you will have it? Hmm?
N number
If
of
you
times.
prepare a biryani, if you prepare a biryani at home, how many times you will have at home? Can I consider more than once or more than
Yes.
twice? More than one or more than twice? Hmm?
Once.
More than twice.
More than twice. Definitely we'll eat. If we want, we will eat in the afternoon. Then we will eat in the night. And again tomorrow also we will eat it. Tomorrow it will be very tasty compared to today. Good. So jokes apart. So now what is it, guys? So I can prepare or I can serve many people. Tell me disadvantages. What is the disadvantage?
More
More
time,
Time,
more time to
time
prepare.
consuming.
consuming. More time consuming, guys. See, for 10 people I need to prepare biryani. See the pressure I'm going to have. It's more pressure. Maybe your mom or your wife or your sister, when they're preparing, you go and you just start having some fun with them. Then they will show you how much pressure they are having.
And require prerequisites. Gas, chula,
Prerequisites.
everything.
Gathering all
Prerequisites
the
should be there.
ingredients.
Very nice. See, you have to gather everything and make sure that everything is present. If one item, if you are missing it out, then you are going to spoil the entire dish. For example, imagine like I'm adding a spoon of or a pinch more salt to the dish. What happens, guys? I'm adding more salt to it. I'm adding more salt to it. Then what will happen to the dish? Can you able to eat it? So then
No. No.
dish will be spoiled. So who spoiled it? Huh? Who spoiled it? I spoiled it. I prepared it. I bought it. And I prepared it. I ate it and I served it. End of the day, the blame goes to whom? Blame goes to me only. Blame goes to whom? Blame goes to me only. But if it is a success, then I will be having super duper results, which is a different story. But what am I having here? I'm having more pressure. It's so pressuristic, like how the food will come here, how the biryani outcome will be there, yeah, abba, meat will get prepared or not, okay, ingredients will be prepared or not. So many things, so much pressure. Till the guy start eating in his plate, till the guy feel happy, till the moment I see some happiness on the person's face who is eating my biryani, till that time I will have that pressure with me. What should I do? This is how it is. Now, this is self preparation. I went and I selected that, okay, let me do it. So, who will do self preparation, guys, for 10 15 people? If you are so confident on your delivery, You have done 100 times before, or you have done 30, 40 times before, where you have prepared end to end. You might have served 30, 40 people at a stretch. Then you can go and you can plan for that. So if you have this expertise, then we call this one as physical infrastructure. What we call it as? We call it as physical infrastructure. Now, in the physical infrastructure, who will purchase the hardware? I will purchase the hardware. Who will maintain the hardware? I will maintain. Who will maintain the server? I will maintain. Who will maintain the application? I will maintain. Who will develop the application? My team will develop. Who will deploy the application? I will deploy. Who will take care of the application? I will take care. After going live, who will support? I will support. At any point of time, if I am screwing out with the installation configuration, then it is going to screw in the production. And who need to take the blame? I have to take the blame. So what are the things, guys, in the physical infrastructure that we need to bear? So I have to build the infra, or I have to purchase the hardware. I have to build my physical servers. I have to install my application. I have to develop my application softwares. I have to deploy my application code. And then what? I have to go to production. Then what? I have to support my application in production. Then what? Let's say, like, after we went live, there is a security vulnerability in the infrastructure. Who will take care? Imagine, like, you went live, application went live. There is a security vulnerability in Java 8. I am running, let's say, like a software, application software. I am using Java 8 or Java 9. I am using it. Now there is a security breach in Java 9. Who will take care?
We need to take
Any
care.
guys? Who will take care, guys?
We will take.
I have
We,
to
we have to take
take
care.
care of my post production support and day-to-day support also. End of the day, I have to do all these things by myself. No one is going to help me and my team. We will be doing it. At any point of time, imagine, like, there is a production issue and I'm sleeping 3 a.m. There's a production issue. Server went down. Why it went down? God knows why it went down. I am sleeping. Then who will take care? No one will take care. So then what will happen? My boss will directly come to my home. He'll say, like, hey man, Sean, what you're doing? So this is how the physical infrastructure is like. Don't you feel pressurized, guys? Don't you have a pressure here? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So much pressure, guys. You can't even imagine what will go down, when it will go down, why it is going down, who have done the mistake, why have they done the mistake, who have done the deployment and all. God knows, you will never know. So pressure. This we call it as physical infrastructure. Okay.